Good evening. Thank you, Komal Sandeep. आपने बहुत टाइम के बाद you made me student because it is not a quiz for the participant here. It was earlier the quiz for me. Thank you, my team who is sitting over there. They made all the efforts, and then we every day did a lot of exercise back and forth. But by the preparation, even we also learnt a lot. And that's what is the fun. This is little different kind of things, unlike the presentation what we used to do. Normally we show our work. But this is to brush up our memories and the college and other things, or the travel, what we did and what we have learned. So what we'll do, there are 5 rounds, and each round is having certain score. And we wish that the competition should be very tight and lot of things. Here I can see 2 major teacher, professor, who taught a lot of students, you know. So I think if they answer, we will give 1 mark less. Because they have taught so many students, and then definitely their power helped them. Huh? So nevertheless, what we'll do, we'll start with round 1. And definitely this is first trial for us. You people should please see, and you should see the question if at all needed over there. I hope that you can read easily. So this is for the audience also. They also can answer, but only in the, mind, because otherwise these people can get this clue. One very, very important thing is that, you should not answer immediately without even buzzer it. Somebody should see from the team that who has set or ring the buzzer first, and first will give the chance to them. First is the guess the icon, and here what happened that, quick question based on the visual clues. Guess it early, score double. So we have given the option, but if at all without option you answer that, you will get 4 point. For the wrong answer, you will get -2 point. You will not get, but -2 point will be there. And then correct guess after options have been shown, it is 2 point. So let's start with the first round. Are you ready? Wonderful. Who designed this building? It's not building. Who designed this building? Zaha Hadid, wrong answer. Okay. Are you giving without clue? Without clue. Answer? Kalatrava, wrong answer. Okay, so all the 3 answers were wrong, so give -2 point first. Now I'll, listen. All 3 answers were wrong. Who designed this building? See this. So what we'll do now, there is one chance to get 2 points more, so you can nullify these things. The options are Renzo Piano, Jon Alzon, Oscar Niemeyer, or Frank Gehry. अच्छा उज्जवल जोन अरे मैं पेलू याद राख्યું હતું okay so team C get the 4 point. Team C get 4 point. Yeah. એટલે બે જ આપવાના. હવે આમાં એવું છે કે એને યોન વાંચવાનું કે જોન વાંચવાનું પહેલી વાર શીખ્યો, કારણ કે ક્યાં ચાલુ શું સાયલેન્ટ થઈ જાય ખબર જ નથી પડતી. ટીચર એટલે ખબર પડે, પણ મારી એક્ઝામ લેવાઈ ગઈ હતી એનાથી પહેલા. એનીવેઝ, so definitely the answer is, this is Sydney Opera House, and answer is very clear that this is what. Okay, the next question is, who designed this building? Come on. Yeah. True. 4 points. Definitely 4 points. Yes. So answer is Guggenheim Museum, Bilbao, and Franco Gehry. Yeah. Who designed this building? -2, -2. Tadavando -2. -2. We can't. When you gave the answer? When? Okay, 2 point to team C. So team B got 4 point right now and team C got 4 point. And plus minus kar dena jo bhi hai. Without, okay. Who designed this building? Now look at the next. Okay, the time is up for without clue. So the clues are Norman Foster, Rem Kulasar, Zahadid. So yes, of course, this is the MAXXI National Museum of 21st century. And from this building, the MAXXI was Zahadid's first building in Italy. And it was a major turning point in her career and won an international competition in 1998. The building helped establish her fluid and futuristic style on much larger scale. So this is one of her starting point of starting recognizing her practice. Who designed this building? Charles Correa. Yes. Correct answer, Charles Correa. And this is the Jawahar Kala Kendra designed by Charles Correa. Team A get 4 point. So Jawahar Kala Kendra is based on Navagriha concept, the 9 planet. It's 9 square plan, transform an ancient cosmic idea into modern architecture, complex of courtyards, pathways and open place. Nice answer. Yatin tu yaar mast hoshiyar hai. Kehu pade baki. Yeah, so answer already been given. Who designed this building? No idea? You lost the chance for 4 points. Who designed this building? Second clue. No clue? Nevertheless. Alvar Alto, Tadavando, Louis Kahn or Louis Berrigan? Anyone from the audience? Huh? Yes, Louis Kahn. Right answer is Louis Kahn. So I think team has missed the chance to win any point in this. Who designed this building? This is very famous. This is very, very famous building. And this has a fantastic history also. Second image. Shall I give the clue? So the options are Peter Zumthor, Tadavando, Frank Gehry or Enzo Piano. Anyone from our audience? A, yes, Peter Zumthor. So this is very, very famous building. The entire building, the best part is entire building is formed using 15 massive stone-clad blocks, almost like piece of a giant puzzle. But these blocks don't meet at the roof. Zumthor intentionally left narrow gaps between them and covered these gaps with glass. And that's where the magic happens. Daylight slips through these tiny cracks, creating dramatic streak of light inside the entire bath area. Beautiful building. This detail belongs to which building? No, listen, which building you have to see. This detail belongs to which building? It's not an architect who has designed it. Which building? Let's go forward with the options. Okay, so this is Casa, Casa Vicens, Casa Mille, Park Gule, or Casa Batlló. Casa Batlló. Right answer. The architect is Antoni Gaudi and Casa Batlló. Yes, team A got the point. This detail belongs to which building? Oh, sorry. This detail belongs to which building? No options. So 4 point has gone. Okay, chalo. Let's see the options. Jatiya Sansad Bhavan, Dhaka, IIM Ahmedabad, Kimball Art Museum, or National Assembly Building, Chandigarh. Anyone from audience? Yes. You lost the chance. It's Jatiya Sansad Bhavan, Dhaka. So this design has been done by Louis Kahn again. But this is very much resembling to his other buildings too. So it is a little tricky. Identify the building, definitely.
Pompidou Museum.
Yes, Center for Pompidou,
Center.
of course. So Center for Pompidou, and then this is the building has a fantastic history. Earlier, the architects were thinking to have, this is famous caterpillar, escalator was not part of the original design. And the architect first imagined huge facade with the screen, moving video screen. But when that idea they dropped, and escalator become the main, focal point of this building. And we remember our journey to Paris, looking at this building from far. We almost meditate in front of this building for 3-4 hours, not because we like this building a lot, but because one of our friend who's lost inside, and then we were waiting for him to come out. So he is our dear friend Manish Shah. He's not in between us now, but that was the memory with this building. So fantastic building again. What's the score? Okay, this, I think they got 4 points. They got 4 points. Team C got 4 points. No, wait. Who is leading? Team C is right now ahead of the time. Okay, this detail belongs to which building? Of course, yes. No, I think you're wrong. I think you're wrong. Sorry. -2. -2. माने तो पूरा माइनस. No, okay, still the answer is open, please. Team B said glass house. For that they got -2 point. Bolo. A, Villa Savoy. Wrong answer, -2. C, yes. Farnsworth House, which is designed by, again, Miss Vendor. So this is little tricky, It is looking like glass house or Villa Savoy. And yeah, of course, that's why the thing is. Now the next is very easy. So be ready with the buzzer. Next is very easy. The next question is very easy. Please ready with the buzzer. Identify the building. Yes, I am Bangalore. Yes, right answer. Team A got correct answer and without the clue. So please give them 4 points. Yeah. So the Crystal Building, New York, defines which architectural style? Wonderful. 4 marks to Team C. It is Art Deco, for sure. The Hagia Sophia in Istanbul was originally built during which era? Which era? Uh, huh? Gen Z. Okay. The option is Ottoman, Romanesque, Renaissance, or Byzantine. Byzantine. Anyone from audience? D. Yeah. Okay, ऊपर नहीं. Yes, no one got the point. The correct answer is definitely D, Byzantine. So this particular dome is known for its the placement of the dome, which is on the square. It has been placed in a way that the windows has been created all around, and then this is the first of its kind on that era that beautiful building has been built. Now, the form of 30 St. Mary X, popularly known as the gherkin in London, was inspired by which natural phenomenon? Which natural phenomenon it has been inspired by? Without clue. Chance of 4 marks. Option? No answer? Okay, fine. The options are Venus flower basket sponge, sea urchin, pine cone, or lotus flower. No, -2. -2, Team C. So please keep calculating the score so at least they can, very much, all are must be nearby. Anyways, the correct answer is the Venus flower basket sponge. And this is a very beautiful phenomena that the gherkin was inspired by a tiny deep sea sponge called the Venus flower basket. Foster used similar idea for the gherkin's die grid structure and curved form, helping wind flow smoothly around the building. So it may look like a pickle, but its real inspiration came from the ocean. So it's a beautiful building by Foster. And this is a dancing house is also known as, the dancing house is also known as. Without option, tell me jaldi. Option? Okay, fine. The options are Romeo Juliet, Jack and Jill, Fred and Ginger, and Benny and Clyde. Fred and Ginger, right answer. So this is a perfect answer, which is, looking like how they have designed this building. So the dancing house, famous dancing shape, was partially accidental. The Frank Gehry curved the glass tower in preserving view from nearby buildings, and it started looking like woman in motion. Together, the two towers looked like dancing couple, and that's how they were named Fred and Ginger, the legendary Hollywood dance duo. Good answer. The Brihadeshwar temple is an example of which architectural tradition? Any clue? No? Okay, fine. Kalinga, Vesara, Dravidian, or Nagara? Now this is very easy. Dravidian. Yes, the right answer is Dravidian. And this is a famous temple. Brihadeshwar temple is often said to have shadowless main tower at noon. So in reality the shadow does fall, but because of the tower's geometry and the angle of the sun, it stays very close to the base and it is difficult to notice from the certain viewpoint. So this is one of our Indian architecture which is very known well ahead of time. The Dilwara temple at the Mount Abu, renowned for, I think I need to give a clue for this because there is no specific term for it, but definitely I am giving the clue. You please go through it. The monumental Gopuram and towering Vimanas, large step water tanks, massive stone chariot wheel, or yeah, team B. D. Integrally carved marble, interiors and ceiling. So this is again our heritage, and one famous legend says the craftsmen were rewarded according to the marble they removed. It is said that the artisans were paid in gold based on the weight of the marble dust and scraping they produce. Whether taken literally or as a traditional account, it captures how much importance was placed in the minute carving. So this is where the craftsmanship has given the highest level of respect. And one very important thing is that later on, once the temple is done, all the laborers together they built one more temple, and they become so rich. They built one more temple in the same campus. What they have appointed for. So this is round one, and now we move forward. Design in short. This is score. Okay, can you tell me score? 6. Wait. 6, 2, 16. अल्ला यार तू पण टीचर पण तू बरोबर ना ना એટલે આમ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન રોંગ નહીં હોય માઇનસ પોઈન્ટ પર છે ને એટલે ભાઈ બરોબર ગણ્યું છે ને હા no. Now here design in short. See, this round is very very easy, and you can definitely score well. But at the same time, you should please be aware of this buzzer, because you will get -2 points. So please be aware of this thing, and then definitely the correct answer before the clue 4 point, wrong answer -2, and after the clue 2 points to each team. Okay, what does FSI stand for in architecture planning? Wonderful. કોણે દવાયું તું બચે પહેલું? Team C, floor space index. Definitely this we have done, but then we got answer earlier. Good. What does FAR stand for in urban planning? FAR. Should I give the clue? Should I give the clue? Options. Okay, fine. The clues are floor area regulation, floor assessment ratio, floor allocation ratio, or floor area ratio. અવાજ સંભળાય એવું દબાવો. પાર્થ. Floor assessment ratio is the wrong answer. Floor allocation ratio is also wrong answer. Chalo, now 2 wrong answer. I can't give, no, it's okay. It's okay. The correct answer is floor area ratio. What does HVAC stand for in building system? ફરીથી બોલો. Air conditioning. Right answer, because there was little twist we have created here, but definitely the correct answer is heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Good. What does HF stand for? These are all architecture and interior related, this all. HF stands for. Should I give clue? Okay, આ clue થી તો જલ્દી આવી જશે. Be ready with the buzzer. Hygiene faucet help. Team B. Team B. IPS 10 fluorine fluorine?
10 paid.
Yeah, team B, of course. So 4 mark. 4 mark because without clue, 4 marks. Indian pattern stone. CPW stand for in India. What does CPW stand for in India? Should I give options? Okay. Central Project Work Directorate, Central Planning and Works Division, Central Public Works Department or Central Public Welfare Department? कौन है मारियो? Okay. Oh. -2. તમે પછી માઇનસમાં જતા રહેશો. સંભાળ રાખજો. Should I pass? Should I pass? B, yes. B is the right answer. It is Central Public Work Department. What does GRIHA stand for in Green Building Rating in India? Anyone without clue? GRIHA? Should I give the clue? Okay. Green rating for integrated habitat assessment, green building ratio for integrated habitat assessment, green revolution for innovative habitat. A, yes, right answer. A is the right answer. Team C won this point. What does LEED stand for in context of green building certification? LEED. Leadership in Energy and Environment Design, 4 point. Right answer, yes. What does WHP stand for in the context of plumbing? This was tricky, yaar. Even when I was doing this was very tricky. And this is related to plumbing. Related to plumbing. Should I give the option? Okay. Wall hung bath, water hand basin, wash hand basin or wash height basin? No one? Anyone from audience? No, no, 100% I accept, and I said for multiple times to my team and they showed me that what exactly it is. So it is wash hand basin. This is very easy. What does GT stand for in context? Wow, right answer. 4 point to team B. 4 point. So it's like a gully trip at cricket. Gully trap, yes. What does AFF stands for? Abu, options, okay. Above floor, above finished floor, above foundation floor, actual floor finish, or actual... above floor. -2 to C. Okay, what does DGU stands for? DGU. Very easy, very easy. Yes. No, it is double gate. Right answer, 4 point. 4 point team B. What does DPC stand for in construction? Course, yes. Improved course. C વાળા બધા લઈ જાય છે યાર લફડા. Okay. Proof course. Sure. What does NGL stands for in construction? Yes. So this is also been done by them. जरा जल्दी करो. What does ACP? Very easy. ACP, chalo.
Aluminum cladding panels.
No, look. No, number A. A team, 4 points. Yeah. RCP stand for. Yes. A. बोल्यो कौन? I heard him. अच्छा tie 2 point. 4 माथी 2 point. FT, very easy. ध्यान ना बोलो. Wonderful, 4 points. CL, very easy. CL, बहुत easy છે.
Light.
Wrong, -2. -2. Option. Yeah, options are construction line, column line, ceiling line, center line. Center line. Team B, 2 points. So this is a good, exercise. Even I learnt a lot while doing this, or preparing this all things. But then it's good thing, good learning. Yeah. So the next round, which is know your scale. This is also very tricky and very fun oriented. This thing, know your scale. Score, bhai. Team A2. 34B. Are you sure? एक गड़बड़ असे गई. नहीं 2. ये 34. I doubt. अरे भाई तमने कैलकुलेशन बरोबर करो छो ने. हाँ 24 is fine. 34 चलो स्कोर है ना. Wait. Oh, आओ ना करो. 2, 24 and 16. 34 तो possible है. 16. तुम्हारा -2 बहुत है ना. माइनस. Okay. We are running with the time, so please know your scale. We'll go with the same thing that before the option 4 point, wrong -2, and after option 2 points. So what is the safe parapet railing height for a multi-story building in mm? Safe. I am talking about the safe and multi-story building. 1050 is little unsafe. Huh? We are talking about the high rise. We are talking about the safe. Okay, I am giving the option. 950 mm, 1150, 1050 or 1250. We are talking about the safe in multi-story building, not regular building. A multi-story building. No, 1250 is 4 feet 2 inches. 1150 is the correct answer, but I believe that this is no point for this. No point to anyone. No, because no point એટલે minus કરું છે. No minus, no plus. So this is just the starting of the scale. So we'll go with this. 1 meter is approximately, quick, in feet. 1 meter is how much feet? 3 feet. -2. -2. Yeah. +2. No, +4. +4, -2. ના પણ એક્ઝેક્ટ આપ્યું છે ને. No. See, ભાઈ, approximately નહીં લખવાનું, exact લખવાનું. Good learning. No, minus. What is the minimum turning diameter for a wheelchair in mm? So this is, I have to give you the clue. You have to think about it. You can't just guess. So I can give you the clue. So 1219 mm, 1525 mm, 1350 mm or 1828 mm. So you have to say nearby. These are, we have given the right, quite a lot past this. Yeah. Chalo, jaldi. No clue? Anyone? Okay, it is 1525 mm. Standard sheet of A3 paper is exactly twice the area of an A4 sheet. If an A4 sheet is folded in half, what size does it become? Done. No. Team B. Yeah, of course. Pi square meter is approximately equal to in square feet. Now I am approximately હું તમને આપી દઉં છું. So 43, 48, 54 or 60. Quickly. Square meter. 54. Yes. So team B won this point. 2 points. A drawing is at 1:50 scale. A wall measured 6 centimeter in the drawing. What is the actual length of the wall? But this is very easy. Just think about it. Very easy. In mm, in meters. So I think. In meter. Okay. 2 meter, 2.5 centimeter, 3. Team C, 2 points. A gunta is approximately equal to square feet. Team B, correct answer without option. 4 point, team B. A drawing is at 1:20 scale. What detail measures 5 centimeter on the drawing, which is equal to length in mm? Now this is in mm. In mm. Should I give the option? Okay. 500 mm, 750, 1250 or 1000? 1000, yes. Team C, 2 points. 2000 square feet is approximately equal to square meter. Square feet, 2000 square feet is equal to in square meter. Look. 200. 200 minus 2. 20 wrong answer, minus 2. So, તમારા માટે chance છે. Okay. 165, 186, 205, 220. Now I think it's the time has gone. It is 186 square meter. Yep. So minus 2 to team B and C. What is the typical depth of the wardrobe for hanging clothes in mm? Very simple. Very easy. Which 600 is the right. Bell pela લોકો ના સંભળાય એવું ના ચાલે પેલા 4 point 1 acre very easy. Chalo 1 acre approximately equal to square feet. 1 acre is approximately equal to square feet. Should I give the option? Okay. 42550, 44570, 43560, 43590. Audience? C. B. No, it's It's B, no point to anyone. It's 43560. 43560. What is the logical depth of the kitchen overhead cabinet in mm? Logical depth of the kitchen to overhead cabinet.
450.
450 logical depth. Bolo. 400. No, it is 350 mm. I am talking about the logical depth of the kitchen, overhead cabinet. No point to anyone. But I think -2 to C. And -2 to A. Okay, for 2000 square feet of plot with the 1.5 FSI, how much floor area can be provided on each of 2 floors? આ તો બધા બહુ તમે ભાઈ જલ્દી હા 1000. No, 1500 square feet. 1500 square feet. It is for the each floor. -2 to B. 2.5 meter is approximately equal to feet. હું ઓપ્શન આપી દઉં છું કારણ કે ટાઈમ ઇઝ રનિંગ 6.2, 7.2, 8.2, 9.2. It is 8.2. -2 to team C. -2 to team C. For a 2500 square feet plot with a FAR of 2, what is the maximum floor area allowed in square feet? Very easy. Very easy. Maximum floor area કેટલો મળે આમાં? સીધું મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું છે યાર તમારે. ચલો ફટાફટ. Yes. It is 5000. 2 point to team A. 1 feet is approximately, what a foot? 1 feet is approximately in mm. 1 feet in mm. 300 is actually, we should give this point because we wrote approximately, it is actually 305. It is 305. No, minus. Because even I was referring 300 and it is written approximately. We have to remove this approximate word. -2 to DGA team. A typical residential car parking bay is approximately in meter. I'll give you the option because we are running with the time. 2 by 4, 2.5 by 4.5, 3.5 by 6, 3 or 3 by 5. Nah, we have to design it for universal cars. Bolo. 3 by 5 D is the right answer. 2.2 team A. Yes. 10,000 square feet is approximately equal to square meter. I'll give you the option. 750, 850, 930 or 1100 square feet. 10,000 divided. 930 is the right answer. Team A. Yes. Now this is quickly because we are running with the time. Who am I? The clue, 3 clue will be given at one time. Identify the designer based on the clue. I'll go a little fast. First clue, if you correct in first clue, 6 point. Second clue, 4 point, and correct answer after 3 clue, 2 points. Here wrong guess is again -2 points, so please be aware. My architecture will bring together modernism and tropical landscape. Wow, 6 point. They have correct in the first go, and this is what the best part is. So, wow. Good. My early architectural drawing looked amongst like abstract painting. Very famous quote from the architect. Second clue, fluid forms and unconventional geometries becomes. Zaha Hadid, right answer, 4 point. Definitely 4 point. I am largely self-taught and began my career outside conventional architecture education. No, wrong answer, -2. Okay, the second, my architecture is known for concrete, natural light, water, carefully controlled movement. Okay, Church of Light is one of the most famous. Tadavando. Points. My architecture combined modernism with the reference of traditional Indian special pattern. One of my iconic building, the Hall of Nation, was demolished in 2017. Raj Reval. Raj Reval is the right answer. 4 point. मैं बंद कर दूं क्या? My architecture focuses strongly on climate, community, and human experience. Indian architecture. So I'm just telling you the clue right from beginning.
Toshi. Toshi.
Yes, yes, yes. PV Doshi. 4 point. I believe architecture should be affordable and environmentally responsible. Yes. Wow. 6 point. 6 point. Wow, wow. Yatin. Chalo, they have geared up, huh? Team A, I designed a housing project where large terraces were created by splitting the building into 4 sections. No. Yeah. Sorry. No. But Charles Correa is the right answer. Team A got the 6 point. 6 point to આ ટીમ એ જીતી જશે આ 6 18 પોઈન્ટ એમને મળી ના દે મોટેથી એ લોકો મોટેથી બોલ્યા मैं बंद कर दूं क्या? 1 मिनट, ये बैठकी के लिए सब लोग आए, मैं बंद कर दूं क्या? नो चलो આપણે બંધ કરીએ. I worked extensively on institutional architecture and influenced by Louis Kahn. I designed the Indian Institute of Forest Management in Bhopal. Easy. Now, come on. My long association with SEPT made me key influence in Indian architecture graduation. Yes. Anant Raje. Right. I was amongst the pioneer of modern architecture in post-independent India. I was strongly influenced by Walter Gropius and this Bauhaus movement. My work includes no wrong. કયું
રાજે કાનવિંદે
કાનવિંદ રાજેભાઈ મિક્સ કરો છો. ઇટ ઇઝ અચ્યુત કાનવિંદે.
અડધા આપી દો.
ઓકે, હવે આપણે મારા ખ્યાલથી they have to move forward. So should I stop here? Audience, should I stop here? No, good. How well do you know your city? This for the Barodian. How well do you know the city? So you have seen the city. Now let's see if you really know it. Each correct answer earns 2 point. 2 point only. Come on. Who designed Lakshmi Vilas Palace in Vadodara? No option. No option. Audience, yes, audience. That was later on. Charles Mont. Yes, the right answer is Charles Mont. In fact, what happened that definitely he was the architect over there, and then it's a story that, once he designed it and he felt like that he designed wrongly and he miscalculated the structure, and he felt like that this building will be collapsed after it, they will make it. And under the pressure, second myth is that, he thought that he has designed with the wrong orientation. And it happened that he committed suicide for this particular things. And then later on, R.F. Chisholm, he has finished this building in 1890. So it's a sad story, but one of the marvelous palace on the earth he has designed. What is the traditional Gujarati form for the central courtyard in the house? It's a Gujarati form. Chalk, right answer. 2 point to team A. Yeah, it's chalk. Which historic Vadodara residence is famous for mural depicting scenes from the Ramayana and Mahabharata? Very famous. આવું ના બોલો ત્યાંથી ઓડિયન્સમાંથી. So definitely the answer is Tambekar Wada. So this is a beautiful, paintings over there, and turned out very beautifully. That is, which famous Indian monument inspired the design of Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda? Now this is a little different, tricky. Which famous Indian monument inspired by the design of for the design of Maharaja? Gol Gumbaj, right answer. Audience gave the right answer, so now let the audience also should participate. No point for anyone. And yeah, so this is a beautiful design. In fact, it is worth saying that, when it looked at MSU faculty building from the above, it is showing the E form, which is the symbolism of education. And this is what the vision of Maharaja at that point of time. And this has been inspired by the Gol Gumbaj of Bikaner, for sure. Which Vadodara landmark houses the district court and known for its distinctive domed architecture? Anyone? Fast. Anyone from the audience? Nyay Mandir is the correct answer. Which historic gate stands at the center of the Vadodara's old city and is one of its most recognized? Mandvi Gate is the right answer. 2 point to team B. Mandvi Gate. Which Gayakwad era memorial in Vadodara known for its 35-meter high central shikhara and murals by Nandalal Bose? Anyone from panel? No, Raupura Tower. No. Huh? Kirti Mandir is the right answer. Yes, Kirti Mandir is the right answer. Yeah, this is what is the beautiful. Which Vadodara Museum was designed by R.F. Sislom and is example of Indo-Sasanic architecture? The name itself is Baroda Museum and Picture Gallery. -2 for team DGA. Which Vadodara landmark as an entrance inspired by the gateway of Daboi Fort and now home to Vadodara's municipal corporation? Khanderao Market is the right answer. Team C, Khanderao Market. And now rapid fire. Now this is very easy. No score for anything. We have to just guess that, and anyone can guess because what comes first to our mind when we talk about it and what it gives spike to our mind. So the rapid fire round is, for example, client. Client, thing. King, client is king. Good answer. So likewise, client is king or client is whatever. તમને ગાડો આપ્યો તો એમાં or if at all you wanted to praise, you can, definitely. Pinterest, profession, mood board. Yeah, good answer. પણ આના માટે કોઈ માર્ક્સ નથી. માર્ક્સ બરોબર કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરજો, હવે ભૂલ ના થઈ જોઈએ. So already winner has been decided. So no marks here. This is just a fun drawing. Yes. Futuristic AI. Good. Sight. Must ક્યાંથી તમારી પાસે હોય તો ને. Sight. Green canvas or opportunity. Deadline. Difficult. Extended. Rendered. Must. Yeah. 3D rendered. Must. Realistic. AI. Futuristic. Revision. Always. Wow. Endless. Always. Yes. Contractor. Wow. Coffee. Coffee now. Coffee with current. IKEA. Furniture. Yes. Budget. No, tight. Low budget. Material, many. Anyways, this is just a brick. JJB. Bolo brick JJB. Brick Hitesh. Okay, brick is Hitesh. Facade. Plastic. ACP. Approval. Very difficult. Never. Never. Okay, meetings. All the time. Time consuming. Okay. Landscape. Green. Important. Good. Veranda. Very important. Anyways, great fun, people. This is, yeah, thank you so much.